Avocado fries. Enough said. Have you heard the good news? Avocado fries. Yeah. This is a very straightforward recipe and I'm gonna take you through every step of the way. Let's start with the spices. These are gonna go into the breading for the avocado and we're gonna save some for the end to sprinkle on top after the avocados have fried. First in, salt. Now 1/2 tablespoon onion powder. 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder. Another 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder. I'm gonna use Hatch green chili powder, but you can use a red chili powder. Now 1/2 tablespoon of cumin. Lastly, add in a little bit of organic sugar. I'd say about 1/4 to 1/2 of a tablespoon. Corn chips. This is the key ingredient that's gonna make these avocado fries nice and crispy, crunchy on the outside, and not to mention that corn and avocado pair perfectly together as ingredients. In most of my recipe videos, I use something like the Cuisinart to blend ingredients together. It makes it a lot easier for me. But today, we're gonna kick it old school. Zip-Loc bag, rolling pin. Take your chips, open them up, and then pour into the plastic bag. Make sure all the air is out of the bag, and now use your rolling pin to smash up the corn chips. What I'm gonna do is now use the rolling pin to just roll over the chips. Now we'll take all these breadcrumbs and place them in a large bowl. Let's grab the spices that we mixed together earlier and we'll pour about half into the ground up corn chips. Now mix it all together. 2 avocados, slice, bring around, twist, and open. I'm gonna add another avocado to the mix. Now take each of these and cut into slices. You can do about 4 per avocado. Now for the breading. We're gonna first put our avocados into this flour here, then transfer it into some almond milk, and then lastly finish it in this corn chip mixture. Go ahead and do 2 at a time. Make sure that each of these avocado fries is very well coated with the chip mixture. These look perfect. They're all nice and well breaded. We're gonna take them and place them in the freezer for about 30 minutes now. That will help that outer crust stick to the edge of the avocado. And then we're gonna fry them. We've got our peanut oil over here in a large Dutch oven and it's at 365 degrees. We are ready to fry. Go ahead and take about 6 at a time. And let's drop them in. So you can already see that it's starting to brown really well and our chip mixture is sticking pretty well to the outside of the avocado. There's still some bits that have flaked off, but that's okay. The total fry time for each batch should be about 4 to 5 minutes. Those look amazing. Let's go ahead and take them out. So pour them onto another tray. The oil is still pretty hot on the outer edge. So take some of your remaining spice mixture from what we made earlier and just sprinkle it over the top. And now just repeat this process for each batch. Ladies and gents, we are finished. Avocado fries, here you have it. Some cilantro sprinkled around the edge, and in the center here, we have a vegan chipotle mayo, the recipe for which you can find on my YouTube channel. These are just so good. I'm really excited that I finally get to share this recipe with you. Thanks so much for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it and you want more vegan recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you around.